Unity released Unity 2020.1 a few days ago. Like always, you might be expecting outstanding features, but this time Unity focused more on reaching stability and tiny but useful features. So here we are in Unity, and the first thing you notice is this button over in the top, and it is related to the new Package Manager. Package Manager has received a new UI and design change. They have categorized the packages. As a result, they are more accessible and easier to find. Also, from now on, only the packages that are more stable and closer to the verified stage will appear in the Package Manager. Let's take a look into the new Package Manager in Unity, and I have docked it in this panel. And as you can see, they have changed the UI and they're easier to read right now. For viewing all the packages, you have to select Unity registry or in the project window. And as you can see, they have categorized everything, so you can see Unity Technologies Inc., Unity, and everything else. Also, if you open up this and you are not seeing any of the preview packages, that's because they changed it and you can't see it right now, so you have to change a setting in your project setting to view the preview packages. So you will get into here, click on this and select advanced project settings, and in here you just have to enable preview packages, and also if you want so you can view the dependencies. Now there are some new tools for the editor. You can enter prefab edit mode in the editor without leaving the current context. You've got axis conversion for 3D models from SketchUp and asset importer updated to version 2. One of the tools that I think will make a huge time saving in scene editing is the focused inspector. There is also a background process window which shows all of the ongoing tasks that you can also use its API. For programmers, we've got the Profiler as a standalone app, which reduces the overhead on Unity Editor and you can diagnose problems more easily. Also, the flow events help you find out if a job on another thread is locking the main thread. There's also a new debugging mode in Unity Editor which provides C-sharp code optimization for better debugging. Right now, Visual Studio is now included as a package and you can get it from the package manager. And at last, Burst Compiler 1.3 is now available. And for the 2D games, Unity gave a significant performance boost for 2D animations using the Burst compiler and the collections. There were a handful new updates for the 2D physics. You can now lock the physics update time with rendering cycle. For the last part, Unity added camera stacking support for universal render pipeline. This is useful for situations like the rear mirror of a car. The GPU and CPU lightmapper has improved sampling with the support of baked lightmap cookies. There is also a new mode in the scene view called Contributors and Receivers to see which objects are being affected by the GI. You can now easily create lighting setting asset and use it between multiple scenes. After all, Cinemachine and the new input system got verified. After all, I was expecting Unity to release a verified package of ECS and dots, but we are still stuck with the preview version, and more interestingly is that they even removed it from the package manager. So if you right now get into package manager, go into Unity registry, and if you try to look out, you cannot find entities, hybrid renderer, dots, or anything else. Uh, However, you can get it by getting to here, add package from git URL and searching com.unity.entities. And by hitting the add, it will go on, download it, and install it for you. And after all, I think the reason is that ECS has gone under a lot of API changes and it might not ready be yet, even in the preview mode. So we will have to wait if Unity releases something for the Unity 2020.2. And now there's also an HDR support for the Unity editor, so you won't have to build your game and then test it out to see how your HDR is working. For enabling the HDR, you have to go into project settings, player, and in the others, come down to use display in HDR mode. I'm not going to activate it right now, but if you have HDR display, you can test it out for yourself. And for the last part, the ray tracing got some improvements, and as you can see, I'm running it right now for the real-time GI and also the screen space reflections. So in this video, I tried to cover the important parts. I think I might have missed some of the parts, but if you have any questions, you can always ask them in the comments and I'll be answering you as soon as possible. If you liked my video, like it and subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me, you can also visit my Patreon page. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.